ಅವ್ರು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀರಪ್ಪ. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಡೆಸಲಿಲ್ವೇ? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ? ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕವ್ರಯ್ಯ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕವ್ರೆ. ನಾ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರು. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದ ಕೇಸೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ? ಜೈಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ ನಾನು. I am appealing, see, on issue of Kaveri issue. I know that Tamil Nadu has gone to the court. That is what I have got the information. It is their right. I don't want to question their right. But we have respected the law of this country. We have respected. I did not take a decision because I had to take all party into confidence. I took the all party into confidence. All my leaders, including the BJP, Janata Dal, they have cooperated. Entire Karnataka stands united. They have supported the cause. In future also, they will stand with us. I am very proud of them. I salute all my leaders, all the party senior leaders, all the former chief ministers, all the union ministers supported. Though Mr. Prahlad Joshi that day could not participate, but he took a delegation to the central union minister. He met them, he requested, but still the rain gods also helped us. We are complying with the orders given by the management authority. We are fully with the system of law. We will respect them. Once in 15 days, again the meeting is going to be conducted. They will also know the position. We will answer to them. We will respect them. They are also our farmers. We want to protect our state also. We wanted to see that we respect the sentiments of the courts also. That is why I briefly need this. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೋ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೂ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗಾರೆಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತ ವಿಚಾರ. ನಾವಿಬ್ರು 40 ವರ್ಷದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ನಾನು ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.